Welcome to the Pagan Permie homestead. I wanted to briefly talk about no-dig gardening and how you eradicate weeds and grass, and about my little domes I have going on here. So it is May 6th. It's relatively warm. We've had some 70-degree days and we've had some 40-something degree days. My transplants aren't doing too good. They're either wilting midday or don't make it through the night. So I added little domes to protect them a bit, and so far it's working. This is cantaloupe. So a no-dig garden is the best way, in my opinion, to do it. You do not want to disturb the soil structure. There are microorganisms underneath that are very important, and the traditional tilling method disturbs them all and actually creates more weeds in your garden, because to fix itself, weeds are the fixer. So what I did in the fall was laid out my beds. This is a Mandela garden with keyholes. It is made strictly from wood and sticks on our property. I laid the entire ground with cardboard. As you see how I have in the middle that I'm starting for the footpaths, and this kills the grass. Then what I'm doing is called lasagna bed gardening, or lasagna layer gardening, where you have the cardboard. Then I put a layer of leaves and then a layer of compost. And next is the wood chips. And I'm constructing mini swales and berms within. So it is a passive-aggressive way to water. I don't really have them completely structured yet because I have to get the wood chips down here. But as you see, there's a little trench sort of around the plant, and that will be filled with wood chips. So when it waters, it absorbs the water. So wood chips and cardboard are the most important things for my garden right now, and both of which are free. The wood chips I got from a service called Chip Drop. You should check it out. It's an easy way to get free wood chips. So far, the only cost of the garden has been the seeds and my labor. We have no trash pickup, so we have an abundance of recyclables. And my favorite permaculture principle is the problem is the solution. One of the problems in our house is the excess milk jugs. We are a family of 6. And the solution, all right, well, what do I do with it all? I recycle it, but we like to have multi-purposes. Everything in life is multi-purposed if you think hard enough. So here we go. Before they get recycled, they're living out another life. So I hope that explained a little bit and gave you an introduction of what we got going on here. I am very excited to see this take off, and hope you have a good day.